fucking well. Going somewhere? We had a deal.
Look, we are tired physically and emotionally. Even Dee's in her energy-saving mode. How about you let us go, and I'll give you this e-pipe I made for you. I was saving it for your birthday.
There's no way, Al.
It come for a birthday card.
You remembered my birthday. Fuck it, I was gonna let him go anyways. Whatever you say, boss.